Hi, my KitchenAid Dishwasher 8,531,654 won't start. Clean light blinking. Doesn't matter which button combination I press, just won't start. Any ideas?
Can you guesstimate how old your KitchenAid is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
The model number is my question. 2002 to 2004 maybe.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Why all the questions? If you don't have the answer, then I am going to move on.
One moment while I get some information for you. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Try and press heated dry then normal then heated dry then normal and then one more time again if all lights do not light up on the console. Once they do, then press cancel and try it. If it still stops and flashes clean, you have a heater issue or a control board heater relay failure. A positive star rating to my response is appreciated so that I can receive credit for responding to your post.
No heated dry on my console. I have a normal button. This is my user guide attached below.
Use air temp dry then and try it. So air temp dry then normal back and forth until all lights light up.
No button is called that. If you look at the user guide I attached, you will see my control panel looks like and can tell me what buttons to push. The clean light is still flashing 7 times with a pause and then 7 times again.
Get me the model off the tag on the frame when you open the door, please.
KitchenAid, Kutbo 1 FLSS 6 serial, FS 1,923,152 type, 577-0.
OK, on your unit you press high temp scrub then air heat dry. Then repeat until all lights light up, then press cancel and see if it starts up. A positive star rating to my response is appreciated so that I can receive credit for responding to your post.
OK. Almost there. I don't have an air/heat/dry button. I have the high temp scrub button. The buttons from left to right include cycles, heavy, normal, light/China, rinse only. Options: high temp scrub, Sony rinse, energy saver dry, 4-hour delay, start, cancel. Are you talking about alternating the high temp scrub and the energy saver dry?
The energy saver dry instead of air heat dry. Yes, high temp scrub and energy saver dry, those two.
Just tried that and all the lights turned on. Seems to be starting a wash cycle.
OK, great, just keep an eye on it. A positive star rating to my response is appreciated so that I can receive credit for responding to your post.
OK. I was able to start a wash cycle. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.